Sharp design, smooth cut, fast finish, strength like no other. And you thought we were just talking about the car. This is where legendary meets the modern muscle of a true sanding innovation, well before the rubber hits the road. The all-new Norton A995 Blaze paper disc lineup uses the finest design essentials to help you achieve the hottest results when sanding through the most demanding applications. The ultra-premium ceramic aluminum oxide abrasive boosts performances with its extremely sharp grain edges. Each grain fracture reveals the next equally sharp edge, so cutting power keeps going. And using P-graded grain that adheres to FIFA standards means repeatable quality with every disc. The super tough polyester reinforced D-weight hook and loop backing provides exceptional tear resistance well beyond any flexible paper disc in the market, up to 2 to 3 times. What's that mean to your business? Reduced labor costs per job with less sanding time, increased productivity with fewer disc changeovers, more profit to the bottom line. But why stop there when Norton A995 Blaze gives you even more? With our multi-air cyclonic technology, you can leave the competition in their own dust. Literally, maximizing dust extraction using the most advanced vacuum science and laser cut spiral hole patterns, the dust is removed from the work surface, leaving a clean, dust-free environment. Less of this and more of this. Give it a test drive. You won't be disappointed. Norton A995 Blaze is the real deal to blaze your way to greater productivity and profits.